In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Perplexity as default search engine in Brave. By the end, your address bar searches in Brave will go straight to Perplexity, and you'll have a quick shortcut for launching at any time. Start by opening the Brave browser. In the upper right corner, click the menu icon to open your browser settings. From there, choose Settings, then select Search Engine. This is where Brave manages which service handles your address bar searches. Click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. You'll see sections for your default engines and for custom site searches. Scroll down to the Site Search section and click Add. A small form will pop up asking for a name, a shortcut, and a URL. In the name field, type Perplexity. In the shortcut field, type PX. This shortcut is what you can type in the address bar, followed by a space, to activate Perplexity directly. It's a handy way to trigger Perplexity on demand, even if you're midway through a page. For the URL field, you'll enter Perplexity's search link with a special placeholder so Brave knows where to insert your query. The key here is the %as. That symbol tells Brave, replace this with whatever I type. If you're unsure what the exact Perplexity search URL looks like, a quick trick is to open a new tab, go to Perplexity, run any sample search, and copy the full address from the address bar. In that address, find the part where your search term appears, often after something like QL, and replace only your search term with %. You'll end up with a URL that includes qplo %as or a similar pattern. Paste that into the URL field, then click Add. Back in the list, find Perplexity and click the three dots beside it. Choose Make Default. This tells Brave to use Perplexity for address bar searches going forward. If you ever change your mind, you can come back here and switch it again. Now let's test it. In a new tab, type a normal query in the address bar and press Enter. You should land on Perplexity with results for your term. To try the shortcut, type PX, press the spacebar, and then enter your search. You'll see Brave route that straight to Perplexity as well. That's it. You've set up Perplexity as your default search engine in Brave and created a quick PX shortcut to launch it instantly. Enjoy faster, smarter searches right from your address bar.